Bills, bills, bills. We've all got them, and some of them are bigger than others. For many of us, our biggest bill is our mortgage. In tonight's Money Savers special report, we take a look at some ways to make your mortgage payment much more manageable.
Just when you think rates have reached a certain point, then, there could be an increase, but then they also dip. So, it's keeping you on your toes right now.
Gabe Gomez is a home lending advisor at Chase Bank. Even in a year full of interest rate ups and downs, one strategy he likes to offer homeowners to make their monthly mortgage more manageable is to split it up into 2 payments.
That also is allowing you to do a couple of things. You're making bi-weekly payments so that you would make 26 payments throughout the year, right? So that's an extra payment per year. So that's going to allow you to save interest over the term of the loan and also pay the loan quicker.
Gomez estimates that move could cut 4 or 5 years off the length of your loan.
That could be quite a bit of money depending on the loan size that you carry.
It can also save you some money by eliminating your PMI or private mortgage insurance quicker.
And that could save you a couple $100s a month on your payment.
Don't worry if you haven't heard about this strategy before.
I think it's something new that's starting to come up, and I do get a little bit more questions on it from clients.
Gomez says you also need to check with your lender to make sure they offer bi-weekly mortgage payments, something else to consider.
One of the biggest things is know when your payment is due.
You might have more time to pay this bill than you think.
So a lot of people think that my payment is due on the 1st of the month. And it may be on the 1st of the month, but most lenders, again, you want to check with your lenders, would allow you to pay your mortgage all the way to the 15th. A lot of people actually don't know that, and they're surprised when I tell them you have until the 15th to pay your mortgage.
But again, check with your lender and read your statement to see if you have that option.
You may have what's called an escrow account with your mortgage, and that means that your mortgage company is collecting each month to pay your taxes and your insurance, as well as making, payments toward the loan.
Carrie Beyer is with the Illinois Department of Financial and Professional Regulation. She says you could wind up with some extra cash if you compare your escrow account with your property tax bill.
If they're collecting too much money, sometimes then they will send you a refund when they do the analysis. At the end of the 12-month period, I have seen refunds that are over $1,000.
While most lenders do a required analysis on a yearly basis, Beyer says you can ask them to do it sooner. Just be aware of any upcoming changes with your insurance or taxes.
There are some scammers out there, and it's important to make sure that whenever you're dealing with your mortgage that, you're not being offered something that's too good to be true.
Beyer says you can see if a company is a licensed mortgage lender by looking them up on the state's website. If a company is licensed in another state or by the federal government, you can check them out on the nationwide mortgage licensing system.
We have received reports that there's unlicensed activity, so I think it's just important to be careful.
Well, if you're thinking about making bi-weekly mortgage payments, experts say it's important to make sure you have an emergency fund for home repairs first. If you're struggling to make your mortgage payments, contact your lender to ask about options. For more information on managing your mortgage, go to our website, fox32chicago.com.